Hi guys, I hope you will be feeling good. So in today's video I will be talking about that how we can download and install the Java at our PC. But before downloading, first I will delete and uninstall the Java from my PC. So but for deleting I will go to the download folder, wherever, yeah, don't delete it, yes. As you can see, I deleted it. Now for installing, I will go to the control panel and then we'll click at programs and uninstall it. Where all Java, yeah, this one. So I will uninstall it. Yes, click on OK and give access. Due to security purpose, it will let to you. Install, yes. So as the Java is uninstalled, let's start the downloading again. Click on Google Chrome. First I will refresh it, then we'll click on Google Chrome. Right here, JDK stands for Java, means shortened for Java. Now click at the first website. Which one? Yeah, this one first. Click on Windows. First we'll scroll down and then we'll click on Windows as we are downloading for Windows. Here you can click at any one, but I will click at the middle one. Now you can see as the downloading was started. It will take a little time and we will wait for it to complete downloading. As the downloading is completed, now I will go to the download folder, double click on it, give access. Wait, yeah, now I will give access. As due to security purpose, I hope it will not show to you. Then click on next. Yes, click on next. What's they are saying? Okay, click on next. How you can change the path for the installation. Sorry, installation. Yeah. Now you can see the installation are started. We will wait for it. It will take a little bit time. No, I will wait. Okay, as the installation is completed, click on close. Now for checking, I will go to the command portion. We're going command, yes, command. Yes, command, yes. Now I will write here GTK version, sorry, Java version, for to check as the installation or completed or not. Here you can see that the version of Java is done. So by this way you can easily download it and install the Java. Hope this audio will be fine well. Thanks.